Tammy Arash Arish. Hello again, everyone. And Seachtaine Shaw, this week, Tamwajig Buggy Arai Arish. We're moving on once again. We're going to look at Laethanta na Seachtaine, days of the week. And I'm going to ask you to think of your ivraha, numbers. Ken iver a shaw. What number is this? A shocked. That's right, Shanae. It's number 7. And there are 7 days in the week. A shocked, 7. Seachtaine, week. And we all know that there are 7 days in the week. This week, we are providing a rocket template. Now don't panic. If you don't have a printer at home, you can draw your own. You will need a rocket for each day of the week. So, San Umlin, altogether, you will need a shocked 7. Cut around your rockets using scissors. And don't forget to decorate them. It's also very important that you write each of the days of the week as Gaeilge in Irish on your rockets. 1 day of the week for each of your 7. Now we ask that you jumble your rockets up so they are not in the correct order. Then we would like you to continue to repeat the vocabulary in order to help you with your recall, remembering your days of the week. You can do this alone or with a member of your family. We would also ask that you time yourself. So first time around, say for example, it takes you 25 seconds. Well, second time around, you would be trying to beat that time. For example, to do it in a quicker time of 20 seconds. Let's see how quickly you can rearrange the rockets. I'm now going to show you this as an example. I will do it and let's see if anyone can beat my score. Buonagi saltas. So I'm now going to show you the order in which you should have your rockets. Curry me treslish anish. I'm now ready to begin. Tree, da, hien. And luin, and warch, and Katie, and Jerdine, and Anya, and Sahern, agus and Donach.
Leargus. Fun language learning.